Welcome to Irie-AT Braille Embossers. This video is the final in our series focusing on setting up your Irie Braille Embosser with a local USB connection. At this point, your Irie Embosser printer driver should be installed and your computer rebooted. Now let's connect up the embosser, turn it on, and get the settings configured to your preferences. First, plug the square end of the included USB cable into the USB device port on your embosser and the flat rectangular end into your computer. Type print in the search field by the Windows Start button to find the printers and scanners settings. Select printers and scanners and then turn on the embosser by flipping the power switch, located in the right rear for the Braille track and Braille sheet and on the right side for the Braille buddy. Your Irie Embosser will now be displayed as an active printer on your list of devices. Locate your embosser on the list, navigate to it, and select Manage. The Irie Embosser settings window will appear, displaying the status of the embosser and providing options to print a test page or manage the firmware settings of the embosser. To manage the settings of the embosser, select the Printing Preferences option. The Irie-AT Embossing Printer Preferences dialog box will now appear. Navigate to the Tiger tab and select it. For best quality Braille and tactile graphics, locate the Braille Quality drop-down list and adjust the setting to Best. Then navigate to the Graphics Quality drop-down list and adjust that setting to Best as well. To save your settings, navigate to the Apply button and select it. Choose the OK button and you are all done. The other settings here are only relevant to special use cases. You'll change the paper size, Braille, and other settings from within the Braille or tactile graphics software you use to create your documents. Check out other Irie-AT tutorial videos to learn how to set up and use software like DUXBURY DBT, TACTILEVIEW, and the Tiger software suite. Or set up the Irie GoBRAILLE wireless device and add wireless functionality to your Irie Braille Embosser. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified as new tutorials are released.